Man, I was expecting to smell like highly scented peach cobbler. I don't smell peach and I don't smell no cobbler. I'm mad about that. I'm mad that this don't smell like peach cobbler. I'm gonna be stuck on the fact that I don't smell peach cobbler with this peach cobbler. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because I'm going to be unboxing the 3rd edition of Melba's Kitchen. I ordered this collection about a month ago, so it came yesterday. These collections do not come around very often. These are limited time collections, exclusive, already sold out, may never come back in stock again type of collection. So these collections are like gold. If you could ever get your hands on one of these collections, then you are truly a lucky one. What I really love about Honey's Handmade products is their clever, creative, delicious names that their products are described as. So this is the box, and it arrived just like this. So it's got a tribute to my mother, the Melba's Kitchen collection. This is a picture of the owner's mom, Miss Melba. It also has a wash day recipe on the back, which I thought was really cute. And the bottom shows the different hair types. So this collection contains 9 products and a bonus product, a 10th product. I don't know what bonus product they sent me, so I'm very excited to see what product is my bonus, and I will definitely be sharing that with you guys. So I have not opened up anything with this packaging. I don't know what it smells like. I don't know what the products, the contents look like. So I will be discovering all of this on camera with you guys and sharing my initial reaction and thoughts to these products, doing basically a first look of these products. So yeah, that's pretty much what all this video is going to be all about today. So I'm just going to share with you briefly as I can the description of each of these items, what they're for, the ingredients, and how they smell. You will be seeing these products again. I'm most certain you will see these products again in wash day videos, wash and goes, twist out tutorials, different hairstyles. So you'll be seeing these products again. So I'm not going to totally bore you with every detail of these products. I'm just going to, like I said, give you the highlights. So with that said, let's go ahead and open up this box and see what is inside this 3rd collection of Melba's Kitchen. So the first thing that's in the box when I open it up are these cute little cards. Again, the wash day recipe that's on the outside of the box. So there's a card inside that lets you know how to properly do a wash day. And also the Melba's mixed greens recipe. So if you don't know how to cook greens, this is a recipe that will guide you along the way of how to do that and cook it the way Melba would cook it. So I just took everything out of the box. I have all of the plastic removed, and just at first glance I can see there are 3 stylers, 3 styling type of products. There's 2 hair masks, a shampoo bar, a curl refresher, a pre-poo, and some peels, and we'll get to that, and a leave-in. So of all of these products so far, I'm most looking forward to trying the stylers because I can already tell I'm gonna really like these stylers. But let's go ahead and get to all of these products. So the first item is Melba's Lemon Meringue Curl Friendly Jelly Curl Filling. And this product is a combination of lemon butter and aloe gel. So if you don't already know, this is a styler. And this hair gel has a much thicker consistency than the other gels that I have tried with Honey's Handmade. And I really love that it comes in this nice convenient pump to make it easy for the product to come out and it's not a big mess. The key ingredients of this gel contain lemon essential oil, lemon butter, aloe juice, glycerin, grapeseed. It does have hydrolyzed wheat protein, so with it being a protein and you're protein sensitive, definitely be very careful with that. Oh, it smells just like fresh lemons. Oh, that smells so good. You can definitely smell the essential lemon oil. It smells just like sweet lemons. They smell like lemon heads is what it smells like. Really, really good. The next product I have is Melba's Sea Kelp and Seaweed Clarifying Hair Mask. So this product is intended to bring clarity to your coils. The sea kelp is known for nourishing and strengthening your hair and scalp. Aside from the sea kelp, the first ingredient is distilled water. It also has unfiltered organic apple cider, mango butter, kapurikyu butter, aloe vera, vitamin E, and vitamin A. It also has glycerin, but it's one of the last ingredients. I can't really tell you what it smells like, but it has a very fresh scent. It smells clean, it smells good. It's giving me ocean sea vibes or something like that. It just smells really nice. So the consistency of this Sea Kelp and Seaweed Clarifying Hair Mask is loose, it's thin, it's watery like. You can see it's shaking. I would have preferred this being a pump because it's so loose and I know I'm probably going to waste this all over the place. The next item I have is Melba's Okra, Onion Seed, and Slippery M Hair Mask. The ingredients include distilled water, BTMS, okra powder, onion seed oil, black garlic, shea butter, marula, Jamaican black castor oil, and glycerin. Yeah, it doesn't smell anything of okra or onion seed. I was expecting this to stink as soon as I saw the description of it, but it has a very light, clean fragrance. It smells really good. Most of the hair masks that I've noticed with Honey's Handmade are a thin, loose consistency, kind of like watery consistency. Yeah, it smells good. Now this is the one I've been waiting for, Melba's Pound Cake Curl Cream Hair Smoothie. So this product says get your curls ready by the pound. This curl smoothie will tame the frizz, smooth those coils, and it doesn't hurt that it smells heavenly. So the key ingredients include distilled water, East African y'all, not just African, East African shea butter, babasu, red palm fruit, bariti fruit, honey, buttermilk, and Madagascar vanilla. It smells like a vanilla candle. That smells so good. Oh yeah, it definitely smells like maybe more of the icing that's on a pound cake. Oh God, that smells so good. Ooh, come on now, Honey's Handmade. As far as styling, this is good for wash and goes, twist outs, and braid outs. So yeah, this pound cake curl cream hair smoothie, cannot wait to try this one. As far as the consistency for this one, again, it's kind of loose and thin. Next we have Melba's Peach Cobbler High Definition Twisting Butter. This product is also great for twist outs, braid outs, and wash and goes. Okay, let's see if this one smells like real peach cobbler. Here we go. Oh, okay, so this one actually has a top on it. All right, let's see if it smells like peach cobbler. I don't smell peach cobbler. Why don't I smell peach cobbler? No peach cobbler, y'all. Man, I was expecting to smell like highly scented peach cobbler. It barely has a scent to it. I don't smell peach and I don't smell no cobbler. No, it does smell good, but it doesn't have a smell, really. But it smells good. It just don't smell like no peach cobbler. I'm mad about that. I'm mad that this don't smell like peach cobbler. I'm gonna be stuck on the fact that I don't smell peach cobbler with this peach cobbler. So just like the hair mask and the other stylers, loose consistency, very thin consistency as well. You can see it moving and shaking in the jar. I cannot lean it over. So for this product, it says they added real peaches, yogurt, bakuri butter, yogurt powder, olive fruit, glycerin, almond butter, jojoba, shea oleon, and sea buckhorn. The next item that's in this collection is the Aloe Water Splash Refreshing Coil Water. It claims that this gem will definitely leave your coils feeling refreshed. And the key ingredients include aloe juice, which promotes hair growth and is extremely good for your hair. It has aloe oil, ginger extract, lemongrass, glycerin, castor oil, also hydrolyzed wheat protein. So again, there's that protein if you're protein sensitive, and sunflower seed extract. So this comes in a 4-ounce bottle, and I love the size of it because I can easily put it in my bag or my purse and just take it out and spritz, spritz, spritz on the go if my hair is a little dry. Let's see what it smells like. I don't really care for the scent of this one. I can't tell you what it really smells like, but I'm not really sure what I'm smelling. I guess I smell a little lemon. It's very faint, but I can't tell you. It's okay. That's all I can tell you. It's okay. It's an okay scent. It's okay. Next we have Melba's Honey Glazed Poo Bar, detergent free. This is a hand poured poo bar. Its key ingredients contain honey, which improves the moisture retention in the hair, honey, which is a natural humectant, meaning it locks in moisture, revives your dry brittle coils, and leaves your hair with a texture and feel of pure silk. Other ingredients include water, glycerin, pineapple, and cherry extract. I have not opened up this poo bar, so I don't know what it smells like. Let me just crack it open just for a second. I can smell the cherry. That's the first thing that comes to my senses, is I can smell this cherry extract. It's the bar is pretty soft. It smells good. Next we have Melba's 15-day Pure Biotin Hair Growth Boost. So if you want full, beautiful hair, this product is definitely for you. This product does not contain any soy, dairy, yeast, gluten, or sugars. The only ingredient is biotin. It doesn't have a scent. Very small, looks like it's easy to swallow. The inside contents, it's like a little powder. Can't really see it too good on here, but it's like a little powder inside. Not really much more to say about that. It's biotin. It's biotin. Next we have the Jungle Punch Juicy Pre-Poo Condish Serum. So it just says to use hair oil for a lightweight shine. Simply apply a dime-sized amount onto dry strands and stay away from your roots, focusing on applying the hair oil to the ends of your hair instead. Its ingredients include argan, olive, raspberry leaf, laurel berry, beetroot, burdock root, and sweet plantain. It smells like a fruit juice. It smells good. It has a fruit punchy scent. It smells good. So I have shown you all 9 products that are in this collection. Now to show you the bonus product that they put in this collection. So without further ado, let's introduce the 10th product. So this is Melba's Leave-In Hair Shake. This product is not listed anywhere on their website, so I'm not really sure exactly what this product is for, but it just says apply to wet or damp hair. After cleansing, spray the strands until completely saturated and follow up with your favorite style technique. So this product contains distilled water, BTMS, sunflower wax, beta-carotene, ciceryl alcohol, beta-carotene, passion fruit, coconut milk powder, corn oil, and perilla oil. I guess it's just a leave-in, just in the form of a spray. Yeah, it's okay. It smells good. So that's what it looks like. It's got a slight run to it. So this is a leave-in spray, basically. It smells really good. It has a sweet scent to it. So aside from the bonus product, those are all of the products that you can expect if you are able to get your hands on the 3rd edition of Melba's Kitchen. But I hope you enjoyed seeing everything that was in this collection. I hope that you are able to get your hands on it. And if you have any further questions about any of these products, definitely just ask in the comment section below, and I'll definitely try to answer and respond to those. So after this video is over, I am going to do my hair. That's why I got it in this little bonnet, because it needs to be done. I didn't want to show this on camera, but yeah, I'm going to do my hair once this video is done. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and just watching everything that I had to show you guys in this 3rd edition of Melba's Kitchen. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely share, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.